Hi, here's how to log into Studyo for a new school year. You can use the video chapters to skip to the part that's right for you. So I'll start by showing you how new students log in, whether they have a school code or not. Remember to always use your school email to log into Studyo. We'll start by going to studyo.app. Hit login to get started. So here you have two choices. If your school email is Google, Microsoft, or Apple-based, you can use one of the single sign-in options to log in without a password. We strongly recommend you use this option if you can, because single sign-on is generally more secure than a username and password. You can also use your school email address as your logon. So if you type that in and hit next, you'll be taken to a screen where you can create and confirm a password for your account. When you're finished, hit next. So now that you've created your password, you'll need to go to your email to confirm your account. Et voila! You're now logged into Studyo. We'll just hit refresh on that. And if you haven't been given a school code, you'll see your brand new Studyo account. If your account has been pre-configured with your name and schedule, then this is where your login process ends. So, in summary, it's pretty easy to log in with a pre-configured account, but if your account is not pre-configured, you'll reach this screen after confirming your email or logging in through single sign-on. Here, choose Enter a Code to get started. Enter the code provided by your teacher or school administrator, and then hit Validate. After your code is validated, you're able to hit Continue as a student to create a new account. After it loads, input your full name, first and then last. When you're finished, hit Confirm. Next, you'll be prompted to add in your classes. So what you can do is either search through your courses by the course title or your teacher's names, or using the drop-down list to choose courses based on your grade, your section number, or your teacher. In this example, I'll use my section number. So let's say I'm in group 103. When I scroll down, I see all the courses associated with group 103. I'll check off each course that I'm part of. Once I'm finished, I'll hit Save Modifications in the bottom right corner. Ta-da! I've now configured my class schedule in Studyo. So to recap, if your school gives you a code to log into Studyo, you'll sign in the exact same way as a student with a pre-configured account. When you're prompted, you can enter that school code, and from there you can add your name and courses to the planner. Finally, if you've had a Studyo account in a previous year, you want to start by logging in with the same account you used last year. Now, if you had a pre-configured account last year, you'll likely just see a dialog box that says a new school year is available in your profile menu. To open your profile menu, click on your name in the top right-hand corner of your planner, and then hit Other Profiles. If you see a configuration for the current school year available, simply click on it to access your new planner. If you've been given a code, you'll have to click Use a School or Parent Code to input it. So add in the code that your teacher or school has given you and hit Validate, then click Continue as a student. So you likely did this last year, but you can filter through your courses by grade level, section number, or teacher. Once you've filtered the course sections to your liking, you can check off all courses that you'll be attending this year. Make sure that each course you select is associated with the correct section and teacher. Once you've selected all your courses, click Save Modifications to finish setting up your planner. And there you have it! You're ready for another year of Studyo. So in summary, returning students can log in with their existing accounts, access the personal menu, and from there they can either access their new profile or enter a new code for the school year. Now, whether you have a pre-configured account or a school code, there's always the option to edit your schedule as needed. To do this, start by clicking on your name in the top right corner to open up your profile menu. Once you do, you'll see the option that says Edit Schedule. So if you logged in with the school code, you already know the drill, but I'll explain one more time. You can search for individual courses by their title or teacher name, Or you can use the filters to find courses associated with a certain grade level, section number, or a specific teacher. Once you've chosen a filter, you can scroll down to view all the courses that apply. The courses with check marks next to them are already on your schedule. You can click in a courses box to add it or to remove it from your schedule, and then hit Save Modifications to see the changes on your planner. It can be helpful to keep this in mind, especially at the beginning of the year when you might be adding or dropping classes. Now that you know how to log in, it's your turn to access Studyo.app and get your own account set up. See you there!